The 2016 Mazda CX-5 infotainment system has been experiencing persistent boot loop issues that have become increasingly common as these vehicles age. These problems typically manifest as continuous restart cycles, black screen displays, frozen interfaces during startup, complete system crashes, and loss of audio and navigation features. The root causes of these issues have been identified through extensive analysis of failing systems. However, the most frequent cause is SD card corruption within the connectivity master unit, accounting for over 70% of all failures. Let's examine how SD card corruption leads to these boot loop problems. The connectivity master unit relies on an internal SD card to store its operating system and applications. When this card becomes corrupted, the system cannot load the OS properly, causing the boot process to get stuck in an endless loop. To understand why this happens, we need to look at the system architecture. The CMU runs a Linux-based operating system. When the SD card becomes corrupted, the system enters a boot loop cycle that repeats endlessly. This cycle repeats indefinitely because the corrupted SD card prevents the system from successfully loading the operating system, causing it to restart and try again continuously. Understanding this boot loop mechanism is crucial for diagnosing and fixing the infotainment system problems in your 2016 Mazda CX-5. When your Mazda Connect system is stuck in a boot loop, start with the simplest solution, a software reset. This temporary fix can provide immediate relief while you plan a permanent solution. The most effective solution is replacing the corrupted internal SD card. This fix has an 85 to 90% success rate and costs between $50 and $150. The process requires disassembling the infotainment unit and installing a properly formatted replacement card. Professional firmware reflashing is another effective option. Dealerships use specialized tools to completely reflash the system with the latest stable firmware. This solution has a 70 to 80% success rate and costs between $200 and $400. For the most permanent solution, complete CMU replacement offers the highest success rate at 95% or higher. While this is the most expensive option, costing between $800 and $1,500, it provides the most reliable long-term fix. To prevent future infotainment issues, keep your system updated with the latest firmware and avoid exposing your vehicle to extreme temperatures when possible. Regular maintenance and proactive care can significantly extend the life of your Mazda Connect system.